Today I wanted to share with you a bad experience that I've had with one of my investments so you can learn from my mistakes. Now, I paid $17,000 in August of 2020 for a service of running a profitable Shopify e-commerce store. There was still no store after a month of what was agreed. I waited for about 3 months and eventually requested a refund back in November of 2020. I kept getting stories to keep stringing me along of, what was the issues, what was happening. And basically the main issue was there was no communication. I'd have to follow up on my own to find out what is going on, why hasn't there been any updates. Come December, I said I've had enough and will be getting an attorney to at least get some sort of traction. At this point, the CEO says that that's not what they want and that they do want to return my money, but there will be some delays as it's not that simple. Okay, well, I'm a very reasonable person and said, okay, let me know how long it will take to give me my money back. He said it would take 3 full months, and what we had agreed to was broken down into 2 payments. One was the upfront payment of $2,000, which was for the inconvenience, and then the remaining down the line at the end of March for the remaining $17,000 of my investment. Now, over time, I kept messaging the CEO just to make sure that everything was on track. And he would say yes, even 2 weeks prior to the final date of payment. The end of March came, and to my surprise, no payment was received. I was fed up and finally told the CEO that, hey, I want my money back in full or I'm getting an attorney. He and his legal team decided to stop responding to my messages and emails, even though I was well within my right to ask for my own money back. And it was even part of the contract. I didn't ask for anything in addition. I just wanted to have my money back because I can't believe people do that in today's day and age still. Like scamming people, that's just very, very immoral. I've since gotten an attorney to deal with this ordeal. Moral of the story, do not give your money over to people who claim to make you a lot of money, especially if your gut is saying otherwise. I didn't listen to mine, and it just won't happen. Trust your gut feeling. Now, have you had a bad experience? Comment down below. Let me know. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time on Dan Daily.